Now we are going to do the third experiment in web technology lab. Now this is the output, which consists of a theme called agriculture. It has few images, it has 4 images, a background image, and the content, explanation of the content present. Few options are present here. So let us know the coding for this. First, the title is given as agriculture. So this is the theme for the output title. Now this is the header 1. This is called agriculture, which is displayed in the here. Now these are called as nav. So let us go to the coding. The nav bars, this is called the nav bars. It is present inside the class called div class. So the nav bar is something like when you just move the mouse over it, its color changes, which highlights the options present, and the mouse changes to a clickable hand. So that is called a nav bar. Now let us go to the CSS coding. Now the nav bar is present inside another class, which is called here div class nav bar. So this is the class present. It consists of inline block. The color which I have used is a midnight blue color. The same border is 1 pixel solid black. Float is left. Height is 25 pixels. Width is 19.85%. This is used to show the properties of this particular nav bars present here: the width, the height, the color, everything. Mostly all contain the same. This is the nav bar called hover. Hover is something the hover is the color which when you place on the particular nav bar, color changes. So this is called the hover. The color which I have given here is crimson red. So whenever I place the mouse over the option, it changes to crimson red. Now the position is used for the content is the absolute position. So mostly everything will be absolute. Most content. So this is the image with 4 images we have used. Let us see the coding. So these are the menu option 1, menu option 2, menu option 3, which you would have seen in the nav bar. This is the image source bi. It consists of a height 400 and width. Same follows here. This is another class called div class middle. Div class middle is something which is present here. This is the middle. So it consists of a field which highlights agriculture. This is the div class image 1, image source, which follows. Same follows here. The 4 images consist of 4 classes, and each class is specified in the CSS with the special attributes like top, left. Same follows all over here with different pixels and different percentage size. So this is the middle. So middle is the image. The content which is placed in the middle contains 30 pixel of margin from top and 3rd from down. This is as follows. This is the box box which is used to represent the the content of used here, it is about agriculture. So we have highlighted the box by using height with text aligned, which is the text is aligned in the center. The background color is orange red, color is white, opacity is 0.7, padding top is 35 pixel. These are used to highlight the terms of the box. And let us go to the paragraph here. This data is implied on the web page. 2 paragraphs which contain information. It comes under a class called subdata, and this comes under the class called subdata. I given the title as what is agriculture and importance of agriculture. So the class here, subdata and subhead. So these are the attributes present in the subhead. Height, I have mentioned various height, width, and these differ in both according to their quantities. And finally, this header part is of orange red color, and this is of a blue, aqua blue color, and this is finally the address. The address is given here. The address is given here. Generally, a web page consists of an address used for contact. The div class is used as foot. The foot is used here. The font size and the font weight, the font size are implied. The background color for the foot is sky blue. Margin top is 20 pixels. These are the attributes present for the foot class. This type of web page, which can be highlighted only, which can be created only using not only by just using HTML, also by using CSS. CSS is used to highlight the outline which is given by the HTML, the colors and the padding and the image height, width, and the box containing box containing the data. Everything can be used by CSS. CSS is mainly used for highlighting. This is about the third experiment. Thank you.